Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to give an introduction to the channel and mostly just talk about why I've started it and what kind of videos you can expect to find here. First, I should talk a little bit about my own background. As you can probably tell from the name of the channel, this is going to be about mathematics. I'm a mathematician and I've taught at several different universities in several different countries at various levels, everything from introductory level undergraduate up to master's and PhD level courses. And teaching is always something that I've really enjoyed doing. As to why I've started this channel, one of the main reasons comes a lot from how I interact with students while they're in the process of working on exercises. One of the most frequent comments that I get from students is that they don't know where to start on any particular exercise. There are several reasons why I think this might be the case, but I think the important thing that a lot of students might be missing is that this is a normal feeling. You're not always going to know exactly where to start on a given problem, and sometimes there's a lot of trial and error to figure things out before you finally come to a solution. It's not very common for students to see their teachers work through an example where the teacher's solution hasn't already been prepared in detail well in advance. So the initial struggle and thought process is something that the students themselves may not actually see in others as they're working through a mathematics problem. There are a huge number of excellent YouTube channels related to math. So what exactly is it I'm going to be doing that's a little bit different? Well, in each video, the format I'm going to use is I'm just going to be solving a math problem, which I will be seeing for the first time. And I'm going to be doing my best to describe my thought process as I work through the solution, especially my first initial thoughts when I first see the problem. Now, doing something like this, where I'm seeing problems for the first time and not preparing detailed solutions in advance, I expect to fail a lot. And in fact, I've already recorded quite a few videos and have already failed many times. I've made a lot of stupid mistakes, but in many ways, that's kind of the point of what I'm doing here. Another important aspect of working through some of these problems and making a video out of it is that you'll see sometimes I know that I've made a mistake partway through my solution or towards the end of a problem. And I think that the ability to know that I've made a mistake at some point in a solution is another important skill when solving problems like this. And I'm hoping to demonstrate that this is a skill that you might need to apply more often than you might expect. So if you're someone that finds himself getting stuck on problems or not knowing where to begin, watch a few videos. Hopefully you can start to understand that this is a normal part of the process, and maybe you'll start to see some ways that might help you skip past your roadblocks. Or maybe you just want to observe the thought process of someone else as they work through a math problem. In any case, I hope that you pick up some good advice. Thanks for listening, and I hope you stick around.